There are many products available to choose umbrella, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best umbrella from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. G4 Free Golf Umbrella. The G4 Free Golf Umbrella offers ample rain protection with its wide and relatively deep canopy, whether you want the extra coverage for just yourself or for you and another person. The auto-open is smooth and more gradual than the lightning-quick deployment of smaller, compact models, which we appreciate simply because of how large the canopy is. The storage sleeve has a sewn sling attached to help carry or hang the umbrella. Due to its size, there are, of course, some potential drawbacks, such as the added weight and length. We wouldn't consider the G4 Free Golf Umbrella an ideal travel companion. It's best used in casual settings and during short commutes. If you're looking for a step down from the size of G4 Free, consider the Weatherman Collapsible. While not nearly as large, it still has a spacious canopy and scored well in construction quality and versatility. Number 2. Totes Auto Open Wooden. The Totes Auto Open Wooden has a quality feel to it. It's on the larger side, but the wooden hooked handle makes transport easier and also enhances grip stability while in use. As outdoor gear specialists, we often have to keep our outdoorsy bias in check when reviewing products that may not be as practical in the woods, such as this model with its old-school length and style. Nonetheless, we enjoyed the quality of the design, the generous coverage, and the fluidity of opening and closing the canopy. The main drawback with this umbrella is ease of transport as compared to all the others we've recently tested. The length can be an obstacle when trying to stash away in a car or bag. We generally had to make special adaptations in order to bring it with us. Those things aside, the Totes Wooden is ideal for casual commutes and made with comfort from the elements in mind. If this style feels outdated, consider the blunt Metro with its unique shape. Number 3. Totes Clear Bubble. The Totes Clear Bubble is a fun, niche type of umbrella with excellent rain protection. We often find ourselves wanting to hide into the depth of a canopy but do so at the expense of visibility. The clear plastic resolves that dilemma by allowing you to still see your surroundings even when tucked inside. The depth and shape allow for the most thorough rain protection of the bunch. In addition to being on the longer and heavier side of the spectrum, the materials used aren't the most confidence-inducing as far as long-term use goes. The hook handle is made of plastic, and the ribs are quite thin. Ease of use also isn't particularly high with this model, as the manual slide can easily pinch the hands. Still, the Totes Clear Bubble is good for casual use to and from your destinations, and we appreciate its fun and useful style. Number 4. Balios Double Canopy. The chic, compact Balios Double Canopy is a very well-made and durable model. It's evident that Balios designed this umbrella with careful attention to the finer details. Its ergonomic handle feels nice in hand and is quite good-looking, lending it a timeless appearance that will complement a wide variety of wardrobe styles. The canopy is impressively large for a compact model, which means it's both fashionable and functional. These benefits come at a small cost. The Balios Double Canopy is on the heavier and larger side of the compact models we reviewed. However, although it's not as lightweight, it's still small enough that you can tuck it into most bags or purses. This product is suited to casual use and can travel seamlessly with you to more formal events. Want something simpler? The Lanbrella Reverse Travel Windproof has a similar vibe minus the extra style points. Number 5. Euroskirm Swing Trek Lightflex. The Euroskirm Swing Trek Lightflex blew us away, figuratively, of course, earning high marks in all of our metrics with its fluid, albeit manual, operation and generous canopy design. This model minimizes the number of moving parts and joints that could eventually fail or break. When collapsed, it sports a very handy shoulder sling for hands-free carrying, and it can easily be rigged to a backpack shoulder strap, so you can also hike hands-free. The length of the swing trek is too long to tuck away into a bag/backpack/purse, but it is so lightweight and well-balanced that it has beat some of the more compact models for its ease of transport and use. However, we recognize that the bold, technical-looking style may not appeal to everyone. We think this umbrella's best application is commuting in the rain, but it's so lightweight and functional that it's also suitable for hiking in inclement weather or for traveling. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.